Looking for a fast, easy way to clean your spa or small pool without lugging around a bulky vacuum? This is the WaterTech Volt FX-4, compact, cordless, and built for efficient cleaning in tight spaces. Don't let the size fool you. The FX-4 runs on a rechargeable lithium battery and delivers a 275 power rating, giving you solid suction for up to 45 minutes per charge. That's more than enough to handle most residential spas and smaller pools. It's lightweight, just over 3 pounds, and measures a little over 20 inches long, which makes it super easy to maneuver and even easier to store. You get 2 reusable filter bags, one for general debris and a multi-layer extreme filter for fine particles. Turning it on is as simple as press and go, and it works in as little as 12.25 inches of water, perfect for shallow spas or steps. So, if you've got a hot tub, plunge pool, or small above-ground setup, the FX-4 is your go-to tool for quick, no-hassle cleanups. Have questions? Reach out anytime. We're happy to help.